Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by creating a secure base. Gather 3-4 clip-in wefts that match your color and thickness. Section horizontally from crown to forehead and clip the top layer up out of the way so you can work at the nape. Tease a small horizontal strip at the nape for grip, then place the first weft directly along that line, snapping clips closed toward the scalp. Make sure clips lie flat and feel stable. This prevents slipping once you form the ponytail. Once the base weft is secure, add the next wefts upward in 1 to 2 inch increments, staggering seams so they don't align. This spreads volume evenly. Let the top section down and smooth it over the extensions, blending by gently brushing and finger combing where the natural hair meets the wefts. Gather all hair into your desired height ponytail, making sure the weft edges are hidden. If you want a polished look, wrap a thin weft or a small hair section. To finish, fasten a strong elastic around the ponytail and smooth the top layer so it covers any clip edges. Tuck and pin stray clips under the wrapped weft or a hair section with bobby pins, and mist a light hold spray to control flyaways. If you notice slipping later, don't panic. Re-tease the base area, reposition, and add an extra clip-in or a few pins for extra grip. Make sure pressure is comfortable. Adjust and re-secure until stable and natural looking.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.